Hello students, welcome in science group of 9th class. Today we shall complete remaining portion of evaporation. In previous class, I have explained what is the meaning of evaporation. Evaporation is conversion of liquid into vapor below its boiling point. And I have told you that there are four factors which affect rate of evaporation. They are surface tension, temperature, wind speed and humidity. Rate of evaporation is directly proportional to surface area, directly proportional to temperature and directly proportional to wind speed. But rate of evaporation is inversely proportional to humidity. Now we shall continue it. Effect of evaporation. Next point is what is effect of evaporation. For evaporation we require latent heat of evaporation, and that latent heat of evaporation is supplied from surrounding. Because surrounding supply the latent heat of evaporation, therefore the temperature of surrounding fall, due to which cooling effect is produced. The effect of evaporation, or why cooling effect is produced due to evaporation. Why cooling effect is produced due to evaporation? So its answer is we know liquid convert into vapor by taking latent heat of vaporization. This latent heat of vaporization is supplied from surrounding. Due to which temperature of surrounding fall and cooling effect is produced. Now there are various examples which are based on this point. For example, if we put acetone nail polish remover on our palm, what will happen? Or why our palm become cool if we put such substance on our palms? Substance can be any like acetone, nail polish remover, petrol, diesel, ether, etc. The question is, what happen when we put some acetone or nail polish remover on our palm? तो आंसर इज एसीटोन और नेल पॉलिश रिमूवर converts into vapor by absorbing latent heat of vaporization from surroundings. And what is surrounding? Our palm, that is from our palm, due to which temperature of our palm fall and cooling effect is produced. That is, our palm feel cool. There are various other such type of the questions, like in question 1 we have studied what type of effect is produced by evaporation. In question 2 we have studied why palm become cool when some acetone is placed. And now question 3, which type of clothes should we wear in summer? And why? Which type of clothes should we wear in summer and why? All we know that we should wear cotton clothes, because in summer our body produce more sweat. Cotton is good absorber of water, therefore it can absorb more sweat. So its answer is that we know more sweat is produced by our body in summer. Cotton is good absorber of water, therefore we should wear cotton clothes in summer. There may be a separate question or question can be added in it कि why we feel or why our body feel cool after sweat. The reason is that sweat converts into vapor by absorbing heat of vaporization from our body. Thus our body feel cool. This sweat converts into vapor by taking or absorbing latent heat of vaporization. By taking latent heat of vaporization, we can write latent heat. By taking latent heat of vaporization from surrounding, that is from our body. So we feel cool or our body feel cool. So our body feels cool. There may be same question. You have seen that in summer we spray water on ground or on roof. So what is the reason for that? Why we spray water on our roofs or on open ground? Again same reason, we spray water on roof or on ground or open ground to produce cooling effect. This water converts into vapor by taking latent heat of vaporization from surrounding and thus temperature of surrounding falls. We know latent heat of vaporization of water is, we know latent heat of vaporization of water is 22.5 into 10 raised to the power 5 joule per kg. That is 1 kg of water will absorb 22.5 into 10 raised to the power 5 joule of heat energy, and thus temperature of the surrounding will fall. Question 5. You have observed that it is difficult to drink hot tea or hot milk from cup, but it becomes easy to drink such milk by saucer or plate. What is the reason? Reason lie in the surface area. Why it is difficult to drink hot tea or hot milk from cup as compared to saucer or plate. Answer is that we know surface area of plate or saucer is more as compared to surface area of cup. And we know that rate of evaporation depend upon surface area. So rate of evaporation is more in plate or saucer as compared to rate of evaporation in cup. So tea or milk become cool more quickly in saucer or plate, so it is easy to drink. So it is easy to drink it from plate or saucer as compared to drink from cup. Now, why desert cooler cool more faster on a hot sunny day. The answer is that on a hot sunny day temperature is more and humidity is less. On a hot sunny day temperature is more, so rate of evaporation is high. Also on such day, that is hot sunny day, humidity is less. Humidity is amount of water vapor present in air, and we know rate of evaporation is inversely proportional to the amount of humidity, means less humidity more evaporation. So rate of evaporation is again high due to this reason. Due to high rate of evaporation, desert cooler cool more faster on a hot sunny day. Desert cooler is a cooler which we use in summer, which has a water tank and water falls in that. Now some more question of the same topic. Question 7. Why water in earthen pot, that is matka, become cool in summer? You have seen that in summer we use matka or earthen pot and water in them become cool. So what is the reason for that? Earthen pot has various pores on its surface. Water came out from these pores slowly. This water vaporizes by taking or absorbing latent heat of vaporization from surroundings, that is from pot and water inside the pot, due to which temperature of water in pot decrease, that is fall down, and it become cold. You may have seen that in summer dog hang out their tongue. Same is the reason, you will write it yourself, why dogs hang out their tongue in summer. So in summer dog hang out their tongue outside more. Same reason, because more surface area of the tongue, more rate of evaporation, more cooling, and they will feel cool. So you will explain it yourself. Then this chapter has been completed. Thank you.